Hey guys, how's it going? Let's talk about Impact Wrestling Rebellion 2023. This will take place on the 16th of April 2023. Firstly, and as always, this video in no way has been designed to deceive anyone. There is no actual footage in this video. This video has been created to still photos only due to copyright issues, and this video is audio only. These are my audio only live highlights, updates and results from what has taken place on tonight's pay-per-view special of Impact Wrestling Rebellion. Ladies and gentlemen, your main event of this edition of Impact Wrestling is a match for the vacant Knockouts World Championship. Mickie James, the former Knockouts champion, had to relinquish her championship on Thursday night's episode of Impact Wrestling due to a injury. I think it's a rib injury that she has not healed from. And tonight we will crown a new champion. Deonna Purrazzo and Jordynne Grace are both former Impact Women's Champions, Knockout Champion, and they are both right now fighting over this championship. Who will win this match tonight? We will find out. You will see in the headline. Stay tuned for more.